In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a headline to your LinkedIn profile. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure your profile stands out in this digital age. So, let's dive right in and start by opening your browser. Type linkedin.com into the address bar, and once the page loads, you'll land on the sign-in screen. Here, you've got a few options to log in. You can use your Google or Apple account, or if you prefer, simply enter your email address and password directly. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to verify your login by receiving a code on your phone. It's an extra bit of security that definitely comes in handy. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. But what we want to do next is navigate to your profile. Glide over to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. In the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile, which will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Now, as you look towards the top of your profile page, you'll spot your profile banner. On the left side of this banner, there's a little pencil icon. Go ahead and click it, because this is the key to editing your profile introduction. Once you've clicked the pencil, a new window will appear where you can edit various details of your profile. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you see a section labeled Headline. In this text box, you get the opportunity to make a great first impression on anyone who views your profile. So, write a compelling and succinct headline that highlights your key skills and areas of expertise. Remember, this is one of the first things people will see on your LinkedIn page, so ensure it's engaging and accurately reflects what you offer. It's interesting to note that your headline can often be generated automatically when you add a new current position to your profile. While this automatic feature can be a helpful starting point, your headline should go beyond just listing your job title. Think about what makes your approach unique or any special skills you possess. Once you're satisfied with your headline, take a moment to review it for any errors or adjustments you might want to make. Then, when you're ready, click on that Save button to apply your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn headline. With this crucial piece now in place, your profile is ready to make a stronger impression on potential employers or business connections. Congratulations on taking this important step to enhance your professional presence on LinkedIn.